new on the channel. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Huh? What's up? All right, come on. I'm out. See y'all later. Now, kick this video off and give me another complaint, a noise complaint. Where my key at? Oh, let me get another noise complaint because I already know it's coming. I told y'all, man, I'm coming back with bangers, bro. We coming with content. I'm actually about to go by my boy shop, Fresh Fabs. I'll probably link his IG in the description, but my hanger for my exhaust broke, so I'm about to go there and show y'all some of the coldest BMWs in Virginia that I've seen in Virginia from the car show. Man, listen, I'm gonna take y'all there. It's not that far, so I'll probably pick y'all up once I Like, Virginia has some of the worst roads, bro. Like, this don't make no sense, yo. For real. Like, look at that, bro. Some of the worst words. I mean, worst roads. Golly, I'm all stumbling over my words. Bro, like, when I get there, bro, watch the whole lineup, bro. It's the only guy I let work on my car other than me, bro. If anybody want to know my exhaust, this is the guy that did my custom exhaust, welded everything, looked out for me. Look at this, look at this, look at this. All this inventory you about to see is his. Like, he's known for BMs. You see it? Do you see it? You see the lineup? You see the lineup? There you go, right there, the man of the hour, right there. Man, that's the GOAT, man. That's the GOAT right there. You need your car done in VA Beach. That's the GOAT. That's who you talk to, man.
Appreciate it, man.
For real.